Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings. Open the gear icon now. Once done, tap Apps and Notifications or Sound and Vibration. Manufacturers name it differently, but the path is the same. Next, select Notifications, then choose the specific app you want to change. You're doing this to control visibility and size of notification elements. Make sure to use the Per App menu because system-wide tools often don't change font or icon scale. This first step points you at the precise controls you need. Once inside the app's notification screen, tap Notification Categories or Advanced. Android groups notifications so you can control each type. Now examine Importance and Behavior. Setting to High or Urgent often makes banners larger and more prominent. If available, enable floating or pop-up notifications to increase visible size. Alternatively, pick a custom layout or lock screen visibility to make content bolder. You're changing how Android renders notifications, so try one option. To finish, adjust system display settings. Font size and display size will increase notification text and icon scale across apps. Once done, confirm with a test alert. If the change didn't appear, clear the target app's cache or reboot. That forces the UI to refresh. Make sure to check your Android version and any OEM skin settings like One UI or Oxygen OS because they add extra controls. If problems persist, toggle notification permissions and retest. That usually resolves stubborn display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.